हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूँ साइबा आर के। आप सभी का हमारे चैनल AR स्मार्ट स्टडी में स्वागत है। इस चैनल के माध्यम से आप सभी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर वाइज फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजी के MCQ पढ़ सकते हैं, जीके स्पेशली फॉर 12th एंड नीट प्रिपरेशन। सो लेट गेट स्टार्टेड। आज का हमारा चैप्टर है ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्शन। टॉपिक है द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम। दिखाई गई इमेज के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने ऑल 20 क्वेश्चंस को तैयार किया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, where is the male reproductive system located? A. Pelvis region. B. Lumbar region. C. Abdominal region. D. Pectoral region. Answer A. Pelvis region. Question number 2. Which get divides the scrotum internally? A. Dartus tunic. B. Valves. C. Septum scroti. D. Pectoral region. Answer C. Septum scroti. Question number 3. Which of the following is not included in accessory ducts? A. Vas deferens. B. Prostate. C. Reed testis. D. Epididymis. Answer B. Prostate. Question number 4. Which tunicae of testes consists of a network of capillaries? A. Tunica vasculosa. B. Dartos tunic. C. Tunica albudinea. D. Infraorbital canal. Answer A. Tunica vasculosa. Question number 5. Which cells provide nutrition to the germ cells? A. Spermatogonia. B. Sertoli cells. C. Tunica albudinea. D. Interstitial cells. Answer B. Sertoli cells. Question number 6. Where are the sperms produced? A. Prostate gland. B. Vas deferens. C. Seminiferous tubules. D. Epidermis. Answer C. Seminiferous tubules. Question number 7. What is the middle part of the epididymis is known as? A. Cauda epididymis. B. Caput epididymis. C. Cosset epididymis. D. Corpus epididymis. Answer D. Corpus epididymis. Question number 8. Failure of the testes to descend into the scrotum is called as A. Palatovaginal. B. Cryptorchidism. C. Pudendal. D. Foramen. Answer B. Cryptorchidism. Question number 9. Which the testes are suspended outside the abdominal cavity is? A. Tunica albudinea. B. Inguinal canal. C. Epididymis. D. Scrotum. Answer D. Scrotum. Question number 10. What do the Leydig cells secrete? A. B cells. B. Semen. C. Sperms. D. Androgen. Answer D. Androgen. Question number 11. Sertoli cells are also called as A. Sperm cells. B. Sustentacular cells. C. Leydig cells. D. Interstitial cells. Answer B. Sustentacular cells. Question number 12. What part of sperm holds the haploid chromatin? A. Head. B. Neck. C. Tail. D. Acrosome. Answer A. Head. Question number 13. Bulbourethral gland is also known as A. Prostate gland. B. Cowper's gland. C. Perineal gland. D. Salivary gland. Answer B. Cowper's gland. Question number 14. Vas deferens is also known as A. Spermatic ducts. B. Seminiferous tubule. C. Seminal ducts. D. Both A and C. Answer D. Both A and C. Question number 15. Which of the following is the endocrine tissue of testes? A. Epidermis. B. Leydig cells. C. Pelvic cavity. D. Scrotal sacs. Answer B. Leydig cells. Question number 16. The part of blood testis barrier in males is formed by A. Scrotum. B. Epididymis. C. Sertoli cells. D. Spermatic ducts. Answer C. Sertoli cells. Question number 17. In humans, the primary sexual organs are called as A. Gametes. B. Gemmules. C. Gonads. D. Mammary glands. Answer C. Gonads. Question number 18. Vas deferens, testicular artery, testicular vein and nerves that innervate the testes are together called as A. Vas deferens. B. Accessory ducts. C. Spermatic cord. D. Gonads. Answer C. Spermatic cord. Question number 19. The secretions of the accessory glands are rich in A. Magnesium. B. Potassium. C. Glucose. D. Fructose. Answer D. Fructose. Question number 20. External opening of the urethra is called as A. Prostate gland. B. Pubic symphysis. C. Prostatic urethra. D. Urethral meatus. Answer D. Urethral meatus. यदि आप मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर वाइज MCQ पढ़ना चाहते हैं, स्पेशली 12th और नीट लेवल के लिए, तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में बेल आइकन को दबाएं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। नेक्स्ट पार्ट के वीडियो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स या पिन कमेंट में है।